Hello everyone. Today, I thought, why not do a Plants vs Zombies Garden Warfare 2 tier list on something completely random? So I'm basically just going to go and copy what another YouTuber does, called Small Violet, on characters in a game about something random. Now, let's get into it. So, all-star characters, I think all of these are pure Giga Chads and they definitely have the meat feast. Anyway, here we have Corn, and if anyone thinks, wow, I wonder if he's going to go and put any of them in a Corn tier, I made the cannibalism tier list because someone asked me to, and anyways, I feel like Reg and Party Corn probably get just pepperoni. Popcorn would just get cheese. I need to make a note here. A barbecue corn would obviously get barbecue sauce on the pizza, and Mob Pop. Something tells me to get everything. So, cacti. Camel Cactus is a war criminal, and they definitely get a wine pizza. Fire Cactus. Something tells me randomly they'd want barbecue sauce. Electro Cactus, I probably think they just want batteries on their pizza. Like, I have that battery pizza every Tuesday, definitely. Future Cactus, Margarita, I don't know. Uh, Zen Cactus probably get vegan. Petrified would probably get everything. Uh, Jade would probably get everything because they're probably stuck up without the bling they've got. Ice Cactus, uh, probably just Margarita. This one will probably shoot Corn dead and eat it. Reg, I'll probably just say Margarita. Now we have the Chompers, and I need to make another. But Chompers, they'd probably just go sit down at the table, then think, oh wow, my meal's already came. Uh, so okay, I'm leaving Power Chomper here for a very special reason. Citron, feel like Citron would be a meat feast. Eat Citron's going in battery tier. Ice Citron. Jeez, I don't know. Why am I doing this? Probably eat everything. Party, definitely pepperoni and toxic Hawaiian. Only someone as gross and disgusting as a toxic character be able to stomach Hawaiian pizza or camel cactus. So then we have the engineers. These feel like they'd all be dumb enough to just eat batteries. Uh, nah, sanitation expert doesn't deserve that. Probably randomly choose vegan. Probably doesn't even know what vegan means. Face, why not? I don't know where to put this, and I don't know and I don't know why I'm doing this video. These plumber probably want barbecue sauce. Why am I saying that? I don't know. I don't know why I'm even doing this. Yeah, this is recording. Oh wait, painter I need to make a tier for. Okay, I feel like this would represent painter. Paints the plate to look like pizza, then orders flatbread. AC Reg and Mechanic is basic, so they take pepperoni because everyone chooses pepperoni, including me. Well, me fish. Uh, Overgoat. Something tells me they love corn. for no good reason. Concrete. I feel like that they would go in there. And AC. Uh, this is just here for people I don't know. Now we have imps. I say all imps are dumb enough to just eat that straight away. Okay, now this is an insult to Reg, so I'll put in Margarita. Pea shooters. Now I got the elemental variants out of the way. Oh, I just thought of a missed opportunity for a tier. Frozen shop bought pizza, and I'm gonna just migrate all the ice characters, well, most of the ice characters there. Now Agent P definitely be nice and professional and just have everything. Commando P would have no. I think they'd probably be desperate enough to have a wine. However, they have free will here, so vegan. Why not? Pea shooter, pepperoni. Loppy, definitely the meat feast eater. Rock, probably just margarita. I don't know. Why am I making this video? And I'm going to put a tally on screen. How many times have I said, why am I making this video? Tally's gone. Probably return at the end. Why did I make the tally? Uh, Plasma P. Probably just take batteries. No, Deadbeards. Oh wait, I missed a crucial tier for the tiers. Now, something tells me that Deadbeard would love a fish pizza. Or from them. Squawk wouldn't have a Hawaii. They'd probably have corn. Oh, oh, I forgot to put AC in shop hall. Uh, uh, I don't think you need I think you can guess where this one's going. Oh, Fireman Pepperoni. Uh, Cannon. They're dead. People who play Captain Deadbeard are dumb enough to just do that anyway, so. Roses. That's pretty self-explanatory who will go in here. All the roses. Apart from Necros, because. No, not Necros. Actually, wait, yeah, Necros and Druid Rose, they'll go in this tier. They would both sacrifice their pizzas. Probably, I don't know. I don't know why I'm making this tier list. Add one to the counter. The scientists. Oh, wait. I've just seen Camel Ranger here. I need to make another tier. Here, I'm gonna have to fix some characters here. These characters here, you see them use their weapon voluntarily at 10 meters away or closer. You know that they do not play this character for more than 10 minutes. So now actually on to the scientists. Chemist eats the plate. This is for chemist. Zoologist, you have to use at least one brain cell, and chemist you don't. Probably just put it in there as well. They go in there because no one is going to actually use their no paleontologist player will voluntarily go close. And yet people still go and call them a better version of this character, who does much better at close range, but you don't have to have your blaster in their mouth to actually kill them. Archaeologist, probably fish. Reg scientist, definitely the pepperoni guy. Marine biologist, like, I ain't going to say anything. They're going in meat feast. Astronaut, physicist, computer scientist, Dr. Toxic. Dr. Toxic wouldn't do that. They'd eat corn pizza. Uh, and now on to the foot soldiers. Centurion probably want barbecue. Uh, this is where I fill up this tier. Now, where do I put these? They go in fish. If I can find fish, I got too many. No, I don't have enough tiers. Quick, I need to make a random tier. Okay, I made another tier. They no, okay. Park Ranger probably have a wine. General Supremo corn. Tank Commander. Margarita. Okay, so now all of these characters in here. Dark Flower is dark. They'd have a wine actually. Metal Petal, respectable. Actually, wait. Vampire Flower. Oh wait, Vampire Flower being vegan pizza because that's just cannibalism. If I go get the cannibalism tier list again, top of A would be top of S if Chompers didn't exist. Uh, Now we have the SBs and Delirious Toaster, or as other people call them, breakfast rings. Would almost definitely be having a waffle pizza. They exist. Here's an image. Image is away. Tier. Now, Cosmic Brains. Cosmic Brains go in this tier. Super Brains, True Giga Chad, Meat Feast. Electro Brains, True Giga Chad, Battery tier. Not waffle tier, battery tier. And the two Hawaiian pizza, because they're the only character who can withstand that amount of radiation. Toxic, this isn't Toxic Brains, this is Torchwood, you dumbass. We'd go in barbecue sauce and here's the special. Here's the special chomper, power chomper. Power chomper would definitely go into the Burrows to Kitchen that needs batteries tier. And now I'm just gonna neaten up this tier list, make it a bit more neat, and then show an image. Okay, so now this is the tier list. It's unreadable. I'll probably just go and put an image on the screen. Here's the tier list split up so it can actually fit on the screen with reasonable size. And here's a plug list. No. And here's a shameless plug to join my Discord server, link in description. Like, subscribe, do all that. Goodbye.